This is a lot of clothes. I cannot believe I fit all this in a personal item. I went on a 6-day vacation and I packed personal item only. So let me show you how I did it and what all I brought. Effortlessly, effortlessly. Hey y'all, it's your girlie Maya and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we have some more travel tips and tricks and I'm going to show y'all how I fit all this stuff in this personal item. I know it looks very big right now, but I promise it closed. I swear. I've been back from vacation for a few days, almost a week now. So it is time to unpack this and I figured I wanted to show y'all how I did everything. I have seen this bag. It's a backpack. I got it off of Amazon. I've been seeing this all over TikTok. I have a personal item suitcase that I like to travel with whenever I'm traveling personal item only. This is my first time using a backpack. And I bought this backpack because I had this vacuum seal bag and it does not fit in my personal item suitcase. It's like a kid's suitcase. It doesn't fit in there, but it does fit in this backpack perfectly. Let's go through my bag and I will show y'all everything that I brought. Starting off, I had makeup. This was full. It's not full no more because I've been back and I've been doing my makeup, but I had a bunch of brushes with all my products. I'm gonna save this for the end. This is the jacket that I wore on the plane. And this is, y'all gonna see why I saved this for the end. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I wore this jacket. You gotta pack smart. When you're trying to pack personal item only, you're trying to save some money, clearly. Unless, I don't know, you just want to struggle. But I was trying to save some coin. So I wanted a jacket just in case I needed a jacket. So I put this around my waist on the way there. On the way back, I was a little cold, so I actually put it on. But yeah, that's a hack. Put something on. Wear as much as you possibly can. This is a scarf for my edges. This is another shirt. This was actually inside of here on the way there, but on the way back, for some reason, it didn't get put in there. So yeah, I'm gonna get to the clothes in a second. In here, we have some setting powder for my makeup because it was just easier to fit it somewhere into the bottom of the suitcase. Or I keep saying suitcase, into the bottom of the backpack versus trying to keep it in my makeup thing. These shoes. I don't want to say I regret taking these shoes, but it was such a struggle to fit these shoes in this bag. I bought 3 pairs of shoes with me. I wore my cowgirl boots. I actually got these from the thrift store. I wore those. I'll show you. I had some shoes. I'm gonna show you the other pair. But these are the heels that I brought just in case I felt like wearing a heel when I went out. I did not wear these once. I really could have just saved the space and not brought them. Then this was a trip. I went to Houston for the rodeo. So I have 2 belts with me that went with my outfits. The brown one definitely got worn more than the black one. I have a corset in the bottom of this. I have a couple socks at the bottom here that didn't get worn. I have some jewelry, some bracelets and whatnot. I had some more jewelry in the bottom of here. And then I had some edge control I put in this little container. And then this is a lip mask that I put on that night. So just to show you a little bit more about how the bag is. Unlike regular backpacks, like this fully unzips like a suitcase. It has a cord in here. Oh, I got another bracelet. It has a cord in here for a charger, but we barely had space. No. So, yeah, you got all this space right here. I've seen some people saying that like there was like a little part at the bottom that you could stuff shoes in. I don't see that. So, I don't really know what they're talking about unless they just sent me the wrong bag. I don't know. I have some more bracelets. Bunch of bracelets. I have some whole body deodorant, feminine wipes, and some flushable wipes. Oh, and I also have some pimple patches. I have some under eye patches. I had a couple more and I used those. And then I have an eyeshadow palette that I didn't use. I thought that I was going to use. And my tweezers, I've been looking for these. And then I have some cotton rounds and then my nail that broke. So that's all that's in there. Going on to the bottom one. I have my toothbrush in here. And as y'all gonna see in here, I ain't got no toothpaste. I made sure we had toothpaste on there. I promise I brushed my teeth. I just did not bring the toothpaste. I have some face wash, makeup setting spray, a body wash, another body wash, my skincare products, so my hyaluronic acid. This is some perfume, some oil, moisturizer, toner, some more perfume, some more face washes, 2 more face washes, and a toner. And those are all like travel size, except for this. This is like the regular size of it, but all those are like travel size. The deodorant, this is full size, but everything else is travel size. So that's everything that's in the big compartment of the bag. Other than the clothes, I'm gonna show y'all how many outfits and everything I brought. Not the zipper breaking Buki. This is a Ziploc space bag. I'll insert a video on me taking. Actually, you can go see. I'll have a video of me packing and everything, so you can see everything in there. Oh, and honestly, I didn't even wear all of these outfits. So this is one outfit. This is a black maxi dress. I did wear that. Underwear. This is a top to some pants, some more underwear. This is a romper, shorts I wore to the rodeo. What is this? Oh, this is a shirt that I wore, just a black shirt. A bathing suit I did not wear. I brought a lot of underwear. A sock, shorts. This is another shirt. I know I didn't wear this. I'm honestly gonna wash all this because it's all in this bag. This is another romper. This is another romper. I love a romper. As y'all can see, I love a romper. These are the pants to that outfit. These are some shorts I did not wear. If we would have went to a pool party, I would have wore these. Another pair of shorts. This is a vest that I did not wear. This is a shirt. This shirt and these shorts, my friend actually brought there and she gave it to me. So I didn't come down there with it. These are another bathing suit that I didn't wear. I brought 2 bathing suits. Another pair of shorts. Y'all, this is a lot of clothes. I cannot believe I fit all this in a personal item. And then a skirt. So let's count up how many outfits that I have. Or actually, I'm gonna count up how many pieces. I have 1 skirt, 5 shorts, 3 rompers, 1 dress, 1 pair of pants, and 6 shirts. I don't remember what I just said, but I'm gonna put it on the screen. Actually, I'm gonna say in 7 shirts because this is technically a shirt. Just saying it out loud with 2 swimsuits is absolutely insane. That's a lot of fucking clothes. In the front part of the bag, what do we have? I don't think I have anything in here, you know. And here, I have some baby wipes, some allergy pills, a hair tie, a scrunchie, some more allergy pills, some lotion. On the side here, ooh, y'all, I made sure I kept this thing on me if I did, because I always lose my neck pillow. I did not bring a neck pillow. I always lose it in the airport, and I was like, this is the bag to, like, take the air out of the bag, and if that's not done, oh, baby, this is not fitting in here. So I made sure I kept that on me in the airport. For the jacket that I was telling y'all, my hack. So, this is not my jacket, but it's my jacket now. When I was packing, and I was just like, I was stressing because I'm like, I cannot fit all of these shoes in here. Something has got to give. So this jacket is a North Face jacket. Any jacket that's made like this will do. But on the side here, it has like this little pocket. See, this is the charger for my DJI. Thank you. Yeah, it's got pockets right here. But it don't, because some jackets got pockets. Or it's not really a pocket because it's like it go all the way through, so you can't put nothing right here, but it got this on the back, and then it also has a pocket on the front. So what I did was I took my shoes. These are some sandals. Let me show y'all. These are some sandals. I wanted to bring these just in case I didn't want to wear my boots all the time, but I just put this in the pocket of my jacket. This is a jewelry box. There's nothing in there now. Oh, it's earrings in there, but I emptied it out. This is a jewelry box for all my jewelry. And I put this on the other side. Thank you. Yeah. I don't want to say I love being cheap, but I love saving some money. So put that in there. So now, and I could even fit more in both of them pockets, and I still got the pockets on this side. So that's the hack number 1. Do I want to look cute in the airport? Yes. Do I want to save money? Yes. Which one is higher? Saving money. So if I got to look a little big in the airport, that's okay. It's all right. It's okay. Second one is going to be buying something in the airport. Because once you buy something in the airport, or just keep this bag. Now that I have this bag, I'm going to try to keep this bag for next time. But if you don't have a bag, buy something in the airport. When I was walking through the airport, I had a lot of stuff in my hands, and I really wanted to free up some space. So I bought a water from the airport, and then you had to buy the bag too. It was like 50 cents. And then I was able to I had like some snacks, I had my iPad, and I put it all in here. I also had a blanket, but I like to carry my blanket because I felt like that would have made the bag too big and they might have said something. I don't like to give them that satisfaction. And then another thing I feel like somebody might ask is about a purse. On my way down there, I didn't have a purse. My friend, she was the only one out of our group trip that brought a check bag, bless her soul. And she put a Shein order and I was like, girl, give me a purse. Sent her the money and I got this. So on the way down there, I didn't have a purse. On the way back, I just put this under my coat, zipped it up, and go about my day. Typically, if I do have a check bag or something, I still be trying to, you know, like get off with the get off. So I'll wear like a fanny pack and then I'll put my regular purse in my check bag. But yeah, this is how I brought all of this stuff. I don't know how I brought all of this stuff with me in just a personal item. And yeah, but I made it fit. So I will have the links down below for the bag. Also for the vacuum seal bags. I don't make no money from the link. So, you know, click it, don't click it. That's up to you. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from this video. Let me know in the comments below. Can you travel personal item only, or do you need an entire carry-on? I feel like it really depends on where I'm going. Like I said, I went to Houston for the rodeo. If I was going somewhere cold, this probably wouldn't have been possible. If I was going somewhere for a super extended amount of time, this might not have also been possible. It was supposed to be a 5-day trip, but then my flight got canceled, so it ended up being a 6-day trip, and I still had enough clothes to work with, clearly, because I didn't even wear all of them. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next travel video. Make sure you check out the vlog and the prep for this trip, and I will see y'all. Bye.